Or says being born overconfidence.
Overconfidence. Kick.
And only idea ham.
Okay.
Say, oh, ye and on a free the ball when my would born a ball.
Yes, I'll be started. Kevin says by head of Henry and Suana.
I know that I think I can.
Sir.
By make me say because of say playing time no. Kevin or says be enough.
Sure.
Henry
and Suya, you baby and I say, okay, and the crap. Okay,
Kevin, no,
Kevin, and Kevin and Samba, the baby on air and sweat in a bench. You're from the Ford, no, Rafael and Ponsa. And a new signing said Kojo.
Said Kojo. Refer on Ponsa, yet bad player for.
On a balloon bobby or the dominates are going to crowd. Yes, Bob, yes.
By my share set or say, BECHEM United.
Yes, said Kojo.
Sorry, said Kojo. BECHEM United on your bad player.
Bob, no one can take
it. Focus will be
yes,
Bob. Said Kojo no your head down. Rafael.
Kwasi Asma ni man the lentry.
Humanity is ahead
of Kwasi Asma. Okay, Hussein any baba ya. Hussein Mohammed. Okay, na me for na dey. Me za Kotoko dominate. Okay, attackers Martin Kakari. Any Saka Dauda.
Martin Kakari. Only bad player.
Oh yeah, but very skillful player pa.
By making like say Martin Kakari be ahead of Saka.
Okay, Martin Kakari. Okay, Mauli wayo any abeta moa.
Oh, abet amwa ya head.
Okay.
Abet amwa. Maybe abet amwa
BECHEM.
And mama. Why you at some bench?
Oh, okay. Now finally, Kwame Poku Bayi any Hamza Isa.
Kwame Poku.
Kwame
Poku in terms of expert wines no or kwaba. And I know about Kotoko is not on your bad. And or quiet and so on good one massive. Or Nigeria.
Yes.
And or buy and so no. Go so the Kotoko no. I know what
sure. When you blaster call up in
there. Even internet fake up on a boa Kotoko to make this woman as well.
Sure.
Africa.
Sure.
And the Kwame Poku be ahead down. Abranti friends.
Hamza Isa. Oh, okay. Now it's also me a panel to say Kotoko dominate line up on the bar. Okay, upon in them, we are about the top fan to say upon way no. One a bit more for win no.
We need a very day.
Lost the Enchakra na ye kwakra. Enchakra.
I see good draw.
Sir.
Oh yeah.
Ne say back over the couple.
Say the penalties bebe.
Sir.
And 90 minutes in the say me good draw bisa.
Sir.
Oh yes.
That upon say about penalties every no. Tata bia will be an 90 minutes every any penalties in Bibiano. One be found.
Oh dear, me you know.
Liberty FM. Okay, so let's get man predicted. Okay.
I'm here in 90 minutes. Moon is me study 90 minutes now.
Okay.
First 45 minutes no yeba na kunya wa.
And what is first 90 minutes now? 45 minutes now.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Mate tia usafo enchekra na ye ko Accra Sports Stadium na yakofa live commentary dia ba usafo loski man na motel nkano iti ye twe ho abasisi a game ready ano ba ye den ye President Cup
Asante Kotoko Asante Kotoko Liberty FM. BECHEM wako. Asante Kotoko, BECHEM. Asante Kotoko, BECHEM ko.
Of Karim Abdul Sito, an ex-player himself and now in charge of the fabulous side. Referee, very experienced referee, even though quite young, but very experienced for referee. Reginald Collins Amwa, he is the man for this evening game. Very experienced campaigner, and he is a man for the game. It's not his first, he's been there several times, and he's in there again today, handling the big game. We took the coin Hassel folk here at the Accra Sports Stadium.
Right, so we count down to the game, and a big miss for Accra folk.
And we are underway live at the stadium. Hassel folk kicking us off. It is a goalie swap with a long kick up field. They're going to control the ball in their own half now. Emmanuel Entry looking for the man on the left side. Patrick Esiedu looking for the run. The ball be cleared comfortably there. Beautiful clearance there from Kelvin Osei Esibe.
You need calm heads, Benghazi. You need calm heads when you face the likes of Asante Kotoko. And you can see straight away Asante Kotoko making their intentions very, very known.
Throw in from the left side. Ball picked up by Francis Akwa. The man on the left side of defense for Kotoko in this evening's game. He threw one down. Get the ball back from. Oh, ball be cleared easily. That wasn't the best of crosses from Aqua. The Phobians take over the ball now in midfield. Hatso Folk. Player goes and referee says what? An infringement. He says play should go on, and so play does go on.
And we're going to have a lot of this, Benghazi. He was right in front of referee Reginald, and I'm sure he knows what he's doing. We need calmness in this game, and trust me, Kotoko putting their passes together and getting applause from the fans here. Let's see how it goes, Benghazi.
And that will be an infringement in favor of the Porcupine Warriors. That was indeed Patrick Asiedu brought down for an infringement for the Warriors. And they clearly are serving their intentions for
sandwich
this game.
Between two players there.
So the Warriors have the ball in the half now. Samba O'Neal looking.
House for home now, can I see them where everybody Asante Kotoko and neighbor home and our pre-match one year no 1 year balloting and Asante Kotoko every need personal and Kotoko and neighbor home our transport stadium from commentary position House of folk everybody of the conference center and out the field out of the commercial Asante Kotoko everybody of the Blaster Square and out the field we are playing on Surabi goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara. Goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara. Once again, Wababe rescue Kumase Asante Kotoko. Goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara was the form. I didn't glass no. I didn't find anyone send your weapon. And I'm saying, Bono, Aya Konya, and Masafo, and Hamza Isai Bono. They are free kick. And a question, my Chabona said Bono, Era. Kumase Asante Kotoko penalty box no more. And Hamza Isa. Bono, goalkeeper, it's a Puaya. When Joya saw Baba Bono, no so bon search. When I pay bonus, Asante Kotoko, Arboneba, Chabona, Sadbona, Yachem, Bona Babedi, Ampasa, a Chabona, Madabona, Cockman, Yarofi, Supplement continue Manuanchi, Elekita Bono, Shimanuanchi, Asante Kotoko, a Chabona, everybody, Cockmania, Francis Aqua. Francis Achabia, Manuanchi, Chabona, say, everybody, Achemo, Ajikaniawo. Never lost Rabi. Bono Alpha. I have found it here. Asante Kotoko. House of Fapia Bono Sota Paso. What would the body call? A Piasso. What about the Piasso? What did I call Pania? Petiasma. Questasma, a chabon, what about the actual Ababika say, Bono, I throw in for Asante Kotoko, and then you may Jabre Mudia, a total action galore. 2 teams sitting in a Chawamo Ababera,
FM,
Ebia Mampani,
Liberty FM,
Gabutina, Sima, and Numankami, 2 teams no, I turn your bet to me the Bono and to me. I refer the regional Samoa. One with a Jamu like 1 year, Quasibro, like 2 a year, Shimon Dola Banu, 4 trophy, Charles Bulu, and Minka Jefosha, Sima, a Numako, Asia, and Germany. Korabia class Asante Kotoko Shebi Sasso, and I also for to be Shebi. Peace 104.3 hello 10105. Our Doom Kumasi, Kwabramwabe. Translation to the K. Chabona say, could I be out of my people? One of my baby who say, now so Jabo, everybody, Aquaria, house for the Bodeco, now so Kumasa Santi Traco, Baba Bajiboro, what about Eba, Kotoko, Epia Bodo Shabormo, everybody, Aquaria, what about Eba, Asante Kotoko, Nasradi. I outside it here, Albertamwa. I outside it here, Albertamwa. Outside the Tiagamua. Now you can't.
Stephen Apia Asari.
About the Shaboya, who are 1 year. Current holders,
5 p.m. never shall see.
I said, Mimosa, and I'm saying, one more about you, Asante Kotoko. To a year 2024. If you have to by 2 goals to 1, I'm almost able to run a
lost that game in the dying best of that game, but I'm sure
what
that
the president can be more about
talking about goalkeeper Shaibu, Benjamin Asari, and a very experienced campaigner. He's taking the Black Stars #1 spot and made it his own. We hope he will be ready when the Black Stars do play in September.
Now, but the pass is for only locating Kotoko's Immoral entry in midfield.
I'm not getting Zakaria Fuseni. But Pierre Bono, everybody are very steady for Sakuma Brantia. Lord Amwa, the Kitabor for Asante Kotoko, which are Bormo, Naso, Haso, Fanababa Fabono, where Pierre Sidama say, and it should be a foul. Rafi, Adi free kick, Adiatia, Kwase, Asante Kotoko, and Wakacha Brantia, Immoral entry say, hey. This should be your last one. Yaminimau, Usan, yes, and Yamam, Senadia, Edimako Sadiaro, Adibacho, Sima and so and terminate 7 minutes. Down in the Gabiada Casper Stadium, President Cup, Kumasha Asante Kotoko, Accra House of Ogno, Punabi Yadom, Ajibono, Punadu Piasudiama Carvin or Saturday, and then you may one attacking us of folk. A body of Fanny Tabel Kusaka, Kunadu had the body of Betty, Ariama, Rafa Ponsa, Amponsa, Kitabona, Jabodiama, Quetiama, Jabodiama, Carvin or Saturday, Carvin Piabono, where the border Piawapia, Arbonico, Carvin or Saturday, where we want Santa Satima, Gabori Kakma, Quetiasma, formerly of Nakorasi, Queti, Kitaboro, you wanted body of Kakma. Wayo, Mauli Wayo, Jabari Yamakweti Asma, Asma Rade, everybody keep driving. Naso, Bono, I feel referee, I just pick it, Yama, Asante, Apranta, the other Francis Aqua. Francis Aqua, formerly of BECHEM United. Bona Kodi Zakaria Futeni, Obia Bonaso, Zakaria Futeni, formerly of Chelsea, Chabona Samamikate, Bona Kwakodi Pami Poku, Naso, Kunadu Yado, Akako Ibona Mamono Atrasia, Kunadu Yado Ibona Mamono Atrasia, Peace 104.3, hello 10105. President Cup, Obia Enya Eshebi, Bona Babede. House of Natanso, Zakaria Fuseni, watching the Bodeco, Wapia Bono, area for Fifi, Bona Babedi Peter Minuaqua, Aqua de Kitabono, Aqua, a Jabon and also, Bona Bedu Rafampata, Rafael Bon and Tapasadia Kakuma, Wamer Hussein a Jabon Rama, Wawiliwayo, Waya Kitabono, Wawiliwayo, Waya Chabona say, Nansura B, Bowe, I thought in a boat. Nebu Ajetuo, Hamza Isa, Fawo Ajibo Netuo, Fawo Ajibo Netuo, Nonso, one to be America Chekokipa, Mama Kamara, Papa, the top of Soya, Zakaria Fuseni, Jabo de Yama, Shimanwachi, Dabi Simona, Una Jabo de Metapaso, Adama Peter Badeko, Rafa Jeffrey, Kariama Asante Kotoko. President Capro, Anwa, one of game, Yabone Marcope. Now you selected 2 teams. Ghana Lake Club Association Ghana.
Peace FM.
And the full bench have control. Will lose out on that attack. It's out to look now. Counter is on for Asante on the ball now for the far block side of the Phobians. Maulewayo. Cross comes to the chance. Oh my goodness. Hamza Issa was in a hurry.
Benghazi, he had so much space to control that ball, so much space to take his time and make a decision. He went for an early header. Maybe he should have been a diving header, but then the decision making was poor from him.
He had so much time. Hamza Issa had so much time to control the ball and pick a spot. Not a bit of options, if you ask me.
From the defense to the midfield. And then yet again, another attempt to go, but a poor mistake there and timely clearance from Konedu.
Konedu clearing his lines for the Phobians. Nearly gifting Kotoko an opportunity. But ball has been cleared and out for a throw-in for the Fabulous team. You're live on GH1 TV. It's the President's Cup. Live at Accra Sports Stadium. 2 of Ghana's giants in football. Asante against Kotoko. Who gets to win this trophy? 11 minutes done in the game. Samba O'Neal controls the ball. Back to Zakaria. Husseini looks up. Long ball out for looking for Kampoku's run. But straight to the arms of Shuab Sharif, who saves coolly for the Phobian club.
And I said, Gaka, and I organized it. Nagaka annually, Wamu Asimuning Nano, Nayabo, Yabonswa, a July Muani Yabono. Normally, no, a Republic Day, not a Republic Day effect. Now, so my pedia Yasua, a Janay, Wamu Ayana Kama, Bami Poku, Nasrabi. Welcome, Goki. Welcome, Goki for Asante. Kunadu Yadam. I saw a quack for Ibanatua, and a Kwame Pokufa Bono. Kwame Hamiano Pega shot Naso, Bono Kofapono, no advantage. I'm a Kwame Poku. Bono Babedi, Kabino Sabi, a Shemina Sharaf, Shaibu the Kitabono for Asante. And they are no first goalkeeper, Benjamin Asare. Benjamin Asare, no Pano. It's what we are saying. One of Bakabodi. How to Imanuanchi. Wait for everybody at Mania. Yababa, Ajabodmo, Jabon Chapaso, everybody that took this Yapamo. One of the Francis Aqua, the Jabon Yamakama now. The Jabon with the body of Aqua. One of the Peter Binu from Pampoko, Ibane Tapaso, Monica Francis Aqua. Naso Cavino Saturday. Where you born from Amikatebon Atrashe, Francis Aqua, one one about 2 born at the Extremo, Elietia, Accra House of Folk, Francis Aqua. Atubone Tapaso, Kwampo Kwajibana Twajama Pitamiru, Amiru Chabana Terbani Yachem, everybody Yakonaso, Wama Hussein Chabonmo, everybody Yakapania, over the Baneko, Ibon Tamana Surabi, Mohamed Hussein, Wawini Friki,
very careful.
Mohamed Hussein, Wawini Friki, Ariama House of Folk,
long ball to the Kotoko house.
Ariama House of Folk.
entry Emmanuel, who locates his colleague.
Yes, so come up your body, Tapasura from Pasa Jabari Yamakuna Yado. Kunadu Yado, Simukona Pejabona Pamamo. Kunadu Yado, what's Santa Sakaro? What about it? Kunadu, you want to tell me the body that you have got one and Asrami. What about you? I am Konake for us to
have retained the ball there.
Konake for Phobia. Accra
by Captain Parter for Kelvin Osei SCP.
Game no annual day, Minada Jeffo.
A stalwart
Game no annual day.
Kelvin Osei SCP.
With a clearance I win it in 6 times. And Pramakusia 6 times. Kumasha Asante Kotoko winning 8 times. So in between of them, 2 times difference. And then the last time I also spoke, Asia Wamno. Also spoke about 2022.
It's been a fair game so far, Benghazi.
Kumasha Asante Kotoko 2-1. 2023. Asante Kotoko 1-0. So 1973, 84, 2004, 2005, 2008, 2016, 17, 2019. Kumasha Asante Kotoko. Energy Nina. 2003, 2009, 2013, 2015, 2022, 2023. All in favor of Accra House of Folk. Peace. 1-0 so any President Cup, another Republic Holiday Cup, I am at the Shana Mampany, I have taken, and then Ghana Mampany, I have Excellency, John Dramani, Kwame Mahama, Wano and a Jacob, Wabeki Koprosima Makwaku Jacob, Wabia Shabi, Bouncer. Coach, Didi Dramani, the boy for Shatibe, and I'll catch a bono, Mamma Tabono, Atobane Tapaso, Coach Yasma, Ekatabano, Chabana say, and Pramana Hobono, Bona Property, Sevilla, Obade, Sevilla Ibono, Sevilla Monaco, Naso, what about Yade, Moibono Babadi, Bokipa Camara, Abobody Shatum, Ababona Totabonte, throw in for throw.
Well,
House of Folk.
Won
Jojo
1973. Yes, and
come on. Bono Ekita, Kunadu Yado, Kunadu Jabomo, Arbani Akopani Lepiaso, and our Rafa Pasaba to Kunadu Yado. 1 from Bodo 3 Swallow, 1 Swallow 5. Kunadu Yado, Meribonico, Simama Papedu, 20 minutes. Bono Papedi, run for our Ibon and Asu Sakaria, Puseria Ibon, Amabodo Promo. Throw in for Accra House of Folk. Throw in for Accra House of Folk.
The former
game no unwanted.
11 wonders.
Nipa Bago Pramaso. Asani. When I just Oman Penny Bitiswa, Yabo President Cup. I free. Nipa Papiswa go Pramaso Animado. And Nipa Ketwa. And you know from my from Bona Babadi Asante Naso. At that time when you have a bono.
By Kamal
Shimano Mampatubane Tapasina Makamino Sasbe, was Sasbe and Kitabono, a Jabody Amasa Jasma, Pati, Albona Body Korean, Chabona Ceremony that I'm not getting a cook Mauliwayo, what did the cook you want to run Rajiv Freke, Adiatua, Adiama Mauli Wayo, for light, one must of for light, it's a Susan Chai, Bono Freke. Adama House of Folk, Road Free Regional Quality Aqua Party players and House of players now warm up no warning. What you have who pass on make you move more body this very well.
And out it goes for a throw.
Now card I'm also trouble thing.
Well, House of Folk,
two president can say
won
number 1973 Sharia Kari and the late
Asante Kotoko 1973 and Kotoko beat them by a goal to nothing. In the next edition, it went again to Kotoko. So House of Folk actually won this President's Cup in 2003 when they beat Accra Great Olympics by 2 goals to nothing.
Sharif, who joined the podium from Shakim. in a lower tier of Ghana football. On the ball, Calvin Osei-Sibe.
It is out of attention position for Asante. And can they have support to Edia? Bernardo Mbate.
Captain in the
Ube wa pati on them. Ube uchas. Asampo Pania the Terror.
Thrown in by the Phobia Club.
Oma peja body the body the chance to go to Mama Kamara Ibona Mabono. Fantastic goalkeeping from Mohamed Kamara. Great goalkeeping. One baby I had the ball is there, you know. Sankawa Monisa body and paddle ball now. A body is zooming into the net. That's a solid atmosphere. So we shall continue now. Who's with capacity? Apart from your independent square, and as a national sports authority, and making sure the fans are
this time around to make sure and get a win.
So when you enter atmosphere, no air solid for football. Two teams in on the technical bench are solid. Maso Didi Zamani, Anna Abdul Karim Tito. Both coaches are experience. Them send all. And I'm football, no, and I go Pamano. So, why should you protect the ball? I'm control tempo of the game. I'm making sure I'm pass the ball around at 20 space at the amount. I'm impressed with the teaching, technically, tactically. I'm for our Pamano. This sounds himself. Most technical bench are solid. You can't take anything away from Africa, and you can't take anything away from Masu Didi Zamani. Both coaches are national team coaches. Even with Masu Didi Zamani, or your coaches trainer, so that's here. So, over University of Education, National Sports College, or no, you're one person, or no, I know 20 coaches, or National Sports College, or no. You're the same person, or Ghana Football Association, I'm going to develop coaches, or Ghana Man Soccer of Excellence. Both teams this afternoon are exhibiting what we think called total football on the field of play. Where the person and now Watala football and Ayashan and Away, where Didi Masoud, Dramani, and Abdul Karim Zito, Governor Tasbe, Mr. Criminaso, Chemichek, Punadu Yadom, what intelligent play, you want to come out, one man who said, Ajiano was good, but then the power and another one, throwing fast and take a record, a tutorial, and the Achebo, and the Mania, Bona Papari, Asante Kotoko, Lord Abwa, a Jaborita Pasura Subaru Alpha. One for Mesa from Mother of Gambos, one Kwakucha, Asante Kotoko, I really fake it. 22 minutes on it, I gave you other class for the President Cup or Republic Day Cup. And no honor, and that's why your body and you came out of from a customer who had one. I'm answer. No, Freddy canning, no better way. I can take a call. Jimano, check about anybody that's your mama people and I said, Samba now. I think I'm born a crack of a pono. Welcome, Coke for Accra Hospital. Welcome, goalkeeper for Accra Hospital. What about the Ababa goalkeeper show of Shaibu? A job of the American coming up touch me. A touch me, Chabana say, everybody that him. Hamza is a re, Bonabadi, Rafa Posta, Rafa Dano, Rafa Sadano, Rafa Jifriki Kariaba, House of Folk, Referee, Regional, Police, Amua, Bonapadi Mano. I'm a quick about everybody that Kakwadia, House of Mauli Wayo, Mauli saw the body PA, I saw the body for and goalkeeper Mamekame, Hamza Isa, was Sagwana Kai, and the American Suffolk, Hamza Isa, of a powerful musical chapter on sound, and Hamza Isa, and already Suffolk Kudibo, 1-0 in favor of a cross of a podium of a Sadai until the boss are watching. At the 23 minutes on in the game, Hamza Isa, Ashagobato, Ariamaka, Sofo Watwase, Asante Kotoko here. Reginald, fantastic goal. Great goal by our standards. The movement of the ball, on the ball, intermittently passing, the way the ball entered the penalty box, Hamza Isa, Bakele Bono, or throw the Boise, a play ball, power behind the ball, and how the ball even zoom into the net. Tells you they have a solid technical bench. That is Masoud Dramani. Perfectly. The boys are dictating the pace of the game, controlling the tempo on the field of play. I'm impressed with the way Accra are playing. We just said you must check the game, no. I be a bar line, no. I'm control tempo of the game. I'm a Kumasi Asante Kotoko. I'm more quality. I'm going to say you move body on the field of play. But how to play much compact. From getting through the central midfield. I yet difficult. The post Kotoko have what it takes to come back into the game. If they really want to come back into the game, they have to stretch play with the flank. So that they will build from the left-hand side and cut in from the flank. Both sides are playing what is being called total football. And no doubt, Asante are taking the lead and they are leading by 1 goal to 0. 26 minutes gone at the Nation Wembley, to be precise, Accra Sports Stadium. In Santa Block, Kumasi Asante Kotoko down by 1 goal to 0. 1 goal to the regional 25 minutes and in the Kenya Accra Sports Stadium. House of Folk 1, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Bodikita, Rafa Posa. The shadow referee, and you think Rafa Posa. Shimano should be very, very careful. This is the second time Costa Tackler and the referee have a warning. And this time around, one Costello and was turning the earth. Rafael and Ponsa, the injury room of Accra, technically solid, and I had discipline on the field of play. One said you'll go for cranting tackling, said you'll go for it, or receive one corner, or the best of the corner, or the direction of best. He is on top of his game. This afternoon, what dominating midfield, no, at the Accra. In the last 15 minutes of play, I think he has imposed himself. Our game, and all cost problem. Adiama Kotoko midfield. Bode Fike, Grandfather Mansa, Apedia Bade de Bade Ache, Oma Pibon and Azrabi. Welcome Koke. Fokma Asante Kotoko, goalkeeper. Mohamed Kamara, and Chaborachi. Mohamed Kamara, Jabor Marmani, Afarikan Fasakoma, Zakaria, Fuseni. From Mario Blakum Chelsea. Chaborachi, everybody Ache. Nanto. Yaba mapi money the man go to Pasharab Shabu. What did not come on Asobonu? Watimuko, Nami Fabona Mamo, Atumbo anybody that talk about Kevin or Sesbe, was Sesbe the Kitabono, was Sesbe and a Kitabono, but the body that touch up on the goalkeeper, show up Saibubio, goalkeeper the Kitabono, a Chabon with a man Sesbe, was Sesbe Fasoko, but Tiabono Sibonico, Kevin or Sesbe Chabono, and a Makasma, Asma, and a Kitabono, a Chabon in the Makunadu, Santa Sakrachi, Kunadu Matano. What about Eva? The Jabodama, Rafael Protect Jamaica, the goalkeeper shop. Shaibu, a Tiabano Yama Kevin of Sesame, a Sesame Jabodama Rafael Posa, and Posa Kitabono, the Jabona say, what about the Acham? Are you here now, Sir Francis? What about the Betlade? Rafael Jufrike, Adama Francis. Not Francis, Family of BECHEM. One and also body more this Nuno Mendes, Opera Sanchez. Etiabeshano, a goalkeeper, Mama Camara, Jabana, Swapiamonso, everybody that Kokma, Zakaria Puteni, Piamonso, Ariamania, Jimana, Jabana, goalkeeper, Mohamed Kamara, Asante Kotoko, Chabanase, everybody that Chem, Bono Baba Bedi, Asante Kotoko Brache. What about it? Nanso, Roma Marukai. Abanta Patrick Casado, Calvin Osasbe, Papa Chake, Wachabonase, everybody Yachim, Ona Samba, a Chabani Dama Francis Aqua, Bono Yatro, a Chabani Tapaso, Bono Papasoni, Alpha, there should be a card, and yellow card Aquarium now Samba, yellow card, Reginald, Akamia. This is what we want to see from the two teams. Dominance, possession, aggressiveness, the tenacity and tenacity of the game this afternoon. Total football from both sides. Total football. Asante on top of the game. In the last 15 minutes, you could see the almost for more into their own half area. And I'm impressed with Kevin or Sesbe. On the Kunadu Yaro. They are the two best centre backs we have in Ghana. Ojedu is ready for blast out. Osetibe is ready for blast out. I'm a confidence level, bringing the ball back from their own half area. I'm on long range passes. How they read the game, how they intercept the ball. Anything you have to build from the flanks, South is a massive Dramani. What the boys not here? The boys are ready to work for you. I must say, this evening we are witnessing what is being called total football. Kumasi Asante Kotoko, they are not bad at all. Just that they are down by one goal to them. First of all, are on top of the game, and they are making sure that they control the tempo. They force Kotoko to play in their own half area. They have stopped Kotoko from using the flank. And I must say, and early substitution for Asoko, Mawuli Wayo, Akabonte,
having a presidential right.
I brought you first. I think Collington. That is the best solution. That is the best substitution for Masudi Dugaman. Mauli Wayo, he's not flying on the flank. Anytime they are ball make a flank here, then the right back must come there and must do the run. He is doing the cutting, but you must do the cutting with the ball. You don't go into your opponent's 18 yards without the ball. It is a solid substitution for Masudi Dugaman. He read too early. No, it's not too early. Mauli Wayo is out of the game. He's totally out. Watch the game. You will see that he's not operating from the flank. Anytime the ball goes to the right flank, they are being unwanted. And I must say, solid substitution for Masudi Dugaman. 30 minutes in the game. House of 1. Kumase, Asante Kotoko. Bono, Asante Kotoko. Mawuli Wayo out. Close for Collington in. Martin Kakari and the team sheet in the snow. Womaya mistake. Martin Kakari in for Mawuli Wayo. Konake for Asante Kotoko. Shimono Chabarate. Anybody that's young? Not so. Zakaria Puteri Happy Mono Amakate. Bono Atabante. Welcome, Goke. For Accra House of Book. T. 105. Hello. 105. Pabra Bay. Achibasa de Shadate. Adatikai. Game no. And what's getting? COP Nanankatia. What do you mean, dear Commissioner? COP Nanankatia. Yes, also. Kabana Sarabody Assisabo. Bono Ababedi 50 of the Mormo. House of Omlanka, the moment who said, Sabori Taposha de Mapasma. Bonabedi Rafa Pasha. Apostle de Borico. Rafa, Warano, the Piasu de Mapasma. Asma, Echabonase, Nasu Pachasma. Everybody of Sakoche. Asante Kotoko. Bono Foul. And it should be a yellow card, yes. A brand Canadian inside. Nabaka Wono. Lord Amua. What in Abacha? Akawa has for.
When you get chances,
you should be Reggie. Solid, assistant is the ball. On the speculative ball, on the speculative ball, I don't know who's will lose advantage over the ball. So I just on that ball, I'm a ball, a very difficult idea, man, and a baby, so you have to be smart. I don't look smart. Heading out our improvement, I think it's a good decision, and the referee, so we will be about this, but any decision not taken now. Obviously, any yellow card, and I can't go start here, yellow card, and the other brother. How did you Lord Amwa? Bono, baby, a bono, I don't know. The house of a body here. One back to the normal Sakanko, and you may Simama Kumako, Adriasa.
From Kotoko's player, Lord Amwa.
Adriasa Mian Company. House of Pokwan, Kumase, Asante Kotoko, free kick to be Fataba, Accra House of Folk. Just 10 minutes walk to the 80 most young box of Asante Kotoko. Free kick. Welcome, Goke. Welcome, Goke for Kumase, Asante Kotoko. Breakum chances for Argentine 2 times. And in the year 2011 and in 2012, Romucha Asante Kotoko. After 2-2 in 2011, and I'm winning 8-7 on penalty. But body glass in our Wakomotai. And I'm saying Kotoko 2012. Ekwamo by 2 goals to 1. Chabonote. Bono. Ayafao. Asante Kotoko.
Seneca tackle. Rakini for Bernard Santo Sonica. Zakaria Fuseno. One time Hamza is a winning body. Or winning wire movement. Allow him to go. There is no need to go in hard on him. So he committed halfway. Then you are bringing the ball close to your own penalty box area. You could have matched him. Allow him to play on. Then you clear the ball in front of you. This is like a Seneca tackle. So I'm telling you, ever constitute.
Constitutional Chocho, goalkeeper Shaibu Vaso, Chabana Sete, Arabon Warrior Jim, Rantaraba Rapimono, Bona Pacoria Asante Kotoko, Amantero, Lord Amua, Ibon Nasrami, Bona Trasha, throwing for Accra, Kotoko, Timama Kumakwadiasa, and Enum Antamine. Akatima Eju, Nesmediana Numno, Eyaso Perikai, Hasopo, Asabako, Asante Kotoko, Homo, or to me, Ante, Medica Chasa, and now a pre match. Kotoko, we need Tosono, if Kotoko, and a home. That's like that. I have to work for the home ground. Bona Babedi, Kavina Tasibe, watch your bono, almost bring a pass. Otasibe, Ayubono, Naso, Waybono Taspaso. Bona Pakode, Samba, Osapia Bonoso, Bona Pakode, oh, Shimano Amapa, Shaz, Hasan Kotoko, Ritlase, over the years, Ape, and I said, Hasan Kotoko. I said earlier, both technical direction. This is Dramani, Abdul Karim Zito is a proper Feyenoord Academy trained coach under coach Sam Ade and John Keller. And Osha Masoud Didi Dramania. He's a lecturer by profession and he's the main man in charge of the National Sports College at Winneba. That's who tells you that on no Ankasani Muano, a Juma what the Juma you will see that last season, out of folk, no minute direction on the field of play. But this time around, the boys know what they are doing. They are well directed on the field of play. Hamza is spearheading the attack. He's not moving to the flank. And what? There is a guy called Kevin from the left hand side. The former Samayu striker who is not playing as a left wing for Accra. Or no other spearheading from the left hand side. Odimbo movement. And actually intermittently moving on the ball with Asante Let's get on the central midfield. Rafael Abonsa, he has dominated the center of the midfield and he has made sure that was static part of the midfield is no down. I must say, first of all, on top of the game, controlling the game, detecting the pace, and making sure that they don't give that much needed room Kumasi Asante Kotoko boys to operate on the field of play. Solid technical direction from Masoud Didi Dramani. Masoud Didi Dramani, way back in 2009. Now Okoti Timbi, I was the northern part of Ghana, Tamale precisely. Okoti Basuka, and Okoti Tamale. Now Domo Middle League. It was Niwe Dibiase Buswadwa. What I mean, who now, ever since from 2009, we've been close friends and we have certain things in common. I need to make our videos. Make us say, Asante Kotoko, Sacha, Patrick Asiedu, Asimu, Ama not player number 12, Shawu, Ansu Akwakwakoshem, Shawu, Akwakwakoshem, Patrick Asiedu, Yancha Kemeso, Abatamua, Naso, Asafana Pakwaibono, Woman Boneco, Jimaro Lanchi, Pedro Couple, Naso, Abracha Martin Kakarin and Wababa Kamana Mamkatebano, Atrasha, throwing for Asante Kotoko. What about the Asuomo? Adama Francis Sakwa, newly signed Francis Sakwa from the BECHEM United. One way they jump on a Chabatubono de Achemo, Francis Sakwa, a Tutono de Achemo, Wama Pimono. Kwami Pokona Suka no test Baba Pimono Fiomo, Asante Kotoko, Shimano Lanchi, you want anybody to catch anybody to Kakumania, Bono, Ekita, Asante Kotoko, Lodamua, you want anybody Naso, Lawan and Probe, one Wajifike, Shimano Talipano, assistant line 2, one is the body of Fikika, Asante Kotoko. Simama Kumakodiasa, Uncle Anthony, 39 minutes and in the game at the Stadium. President Cup, Accra House of Pokwan, Kumase, Asante Kotoko, Problem Wabe, Achimasa edition of the Mikadio of Peace, the Mother of all sessions. Hello, 10105. I went to Kumase, President Capital, and Waya Day. Paul freaking for Asante Kotoko. One will be the Atomokana. Asante Kotoko. Awucha slow. Alusha BMWT slow. Just so. Referee Regional Collins Amwa. Wafra. Abranta Rafran Pasa. Ane Samba Ona. Wose Munya Diamoyano. Na game no. Ana Meshamo. Meshamo. A bigger pick in the chance to goalkeeper. Shaibu. Great goalkeeping. Confidence level. No. You are not feeling the absence of Benjamin Asare. This is not at all. Even against the biggest team in Ghana. Shaibu have been solid. Technique. Check. Reflex. Composer, he's a solid goalkeeper. The confidence level and the work from Kakra, and it's normal. On your number one, it's the confidence, no, at the come from Kakra. I must say, this evening at the Accra Sports Stadium.
Wala busa for yebeko na fe yani piwak for akwa kobon komo kakra sema dunum achi yebesan so aba na ye de live commentary no e de atwa mo so me no ka say heart etimi ashe Kotoko e kana ba ko a omo intimate ye be ko ne ani piwa akfa ko din ko anu na chi e for commentary no e be san so atwa mo so we are hello
menu ya me do so ni so
apombo ko de
o che dan fonyan ko na daro ma bibi egu na kam ye papa
ya mi ase me pa cho ba bi adru de e beri na yo de ayenko
yo amemba ko insamin Ghana for to party the people of Western of Mekan Lee si na macha safi manina na won se piwa anani me so pampa ye boa ama ya pomuden ahotoso atini ewie peye se oni pedi a wo ko bagidi homenom bia no ehu hia se wa pomuden wo betini sese na aboa ma enoma atini ewie peye atini edi amount and if you are then piwa ye board table na ye church na ye boa ama ye man for apomuden ahotoso e betini awie ye papa etini edi amaye eno so na ye hwe na mo a ye di mmeni no ahodo bi ma e betini siesie oba e betini siesie bemba e betini bo abusia apomuden ahotoso etini edi pay and something and the edition of Magudu, Ghana, the people of Western of because of your mind, Abuama, Apomudi, Mapa, and we pay papa. And no, and then I'm what is that? Team of doctors, academics, researchers, in Penipu Kudama. I was here, Pocket here, Masi, Abua, I know food and drop, and they can't withdraw young funky na Yanwa. Set, yes, I would be a good Kapuni, would divide vitamins. What the minerals have? It's just na Abua, a new system, no. Et me every player et me at the amount. Busumi here, you woman. Any dear, it's see him more every. They can't July, any August. What him said, August, and I am not Ghana, you pa. You can't Busumia, a moon no pa, August, and I. You feel July are not in August. Who said, Gary, up to the enemy. Obu house in Sasa bro. I want the me. I said, Maria, and I can't want to know Maria near you. Not as I reckon, Obu Hokana, who I be an hour. Which was always up with me, was I mean, it's mean when the pub. And as I said, one accident that if you are not accident, a Hona, particularly now would see a young answer who told us. What is that? What thing can be said? And y'all be Abasani to jump up one. Nina said, Sir, Busimi, you would me, and in the way you move on. I am not in your rockets and because they are not Busumi. It's Ama, your Wadano, and you will and fat. Not my problem, and you bet me sister. Now, Yabwa, Ama, Apumudi, Mapa, etting every pair. And I say, you bring it in your new upper go up. A bet me say Pediano. I don't anybody can say put you say. A bet me aboma only power new system no and kwano ahodi et me abamu ye papa na aboafo ama obrebo liver ɛda mu no ɔho sɛ liver no ɛyɛ part of the immune system no na ɛtumi ayɛ n'adwuma yie na wotumi ansɛ efi ne srade ne nneɛma ahodoɔ bi a ayɛ sɛ ɛtena nipadua no mu na ɛkɔfa ɔhaw ɔyɛ ne amanneɛ ɛbɛto nipa apɔmudom de soɔ no ne nyinaa ɛbɛkele for one time ama apɔmuden ahotɔ anaasɛ apɔmuden pa ɛtumi awie pɛyɛ ama mene mmienu nti bosome yi sista obi de mo te sɛ wode ɛba asɛ awɔdeɔ ewi abɔ koraa no a asɛ awɔdeɔ anaa wowɔ hɔ a wo sɛ wɔne mu ayi nwunu anaa wo ho tetew basabasabasabasabasa ɛdu baabi wɔ hɔ a ɛna wasɛ sɛ wote yaw keteketekete ɛdu baabi wɔ wotumi sɛ wonyare nso wo a wo so wɔnyɛ dɛn wonti apɔ ɛnɔma ahodoɔ bɛhyɛ aseɛ ɛwɔ nipadua no mu a wonti aseɛ papa fi wa sɛ nokware ɛdu saa bosome yi mu a ɛne neɛ wɔyɛ ne mu baeɛ a ɛna na saa nneɛma ketenkete nyinaa ɛyi ne ho adi ɛwɔ nipadua no mu na pampa a yɛbɛtumi aboa ma nipadua no tumi awie pɛyɛ ɛne sɛ ɛbɛnya nnuanino te sɛ vitamin C a ɛbɛtumi aboa yɛ immune system aboa yɛ brɛbɔ no ama apɔmuden mapa ɛtumi awie pɛyɛ wei ɛna mpanimfoɔ academia sɛ researchers mpanimfoɔ nko dam ɛde abibiduro a yɛmfa nkenkya na yɛanoa na yɛtumi twe vitamin C ahodoɔ a ɛtumi sisi na ɛboa ma apɔmuden pa awie pɛyɛ wɔ kurom ha 3P garlic mixture 3P garlic mixture ɛde ɛbɛpɛ ɛma aboa ama wapɔmuden ɛtumi awie pɛyɛ ɛtumi ɛdi ama wo hwɛ yɛka nipadua a akɔ yɛmfa yɛniwa ɛhu na ɛso ɛkɛsɛ paa ɛyɛ wo nipa liver ɛyɛ brɛbɔ no ɛne na ɛso paa na kwasi bu ne bɛka sɛ it weighs about 3 pounds na wo sɛ nnuane a yɛdie na ahodoɔ no awie yɛ sɛ brɛbɔ no na boa ɛma ɛfi ne nnoɔma ahodoɔ boa ma kidney no adwuma yɛ dɛn ɛtumi awie pɛ ɛnuru a yɛde kɔ nipadua mu nyinaa no ɛbrɛbɔ no ɛprɔsɛse sɛ ɛbɛhwɛ sɛ ɛbɛtumi adandan na abrekebeke ne nyinaa ama apɔmuden ɛtumi awie pɛyɛ ɛtumi adi ama wo sɛ obrɛboɔ ɛntumi awie pɛyɛ ɛmfama wo a sister nnyane wahodoɔ bebree ɛtumi ba mu ɛbi te sɛ liver cirrhosis bɛtumi aba brɛbɔ ho tumi de ama wo bibi te sɛ liver hepatitis nika ɛyɛ inflammation of the liver ɛmmoa bɛtumi aba mu kukuram cancer ɛbɛtumi aba brɛbɔ no so ɛmu adi ama wo ɛba no saa immune system no ɛho bɛtumi aka pure sɛ nokware aduro baako a ɛne aba aduro baako a ɛsisi mpempem aduro baako a ɛboa ma mogya mapa ɛtumi gya fo sɛne ɛtumi abɔ wo nerve na bra woda wotumi ada sister woda wotumi na ahoɔden foforɔ the extra energy a wohia ɛma wapɔmuden ɛtumi awie pɛyɛ deɛ ne nyinaa ɛgu bibiduro a yɛamfa nkekya yɛanoa vitamin C ne yɛatwetwe ne de nnwene
Entry now locates Zakaria Husseini, and that was a poor pass out.
Yeah, he does locate him, but outside the pitch. And Kotoko, as I said earlier, they have shown some good signs. They have the quality, but then I think that Accra have shown so much passion in this game. But they want the ball more. They show that they want the President's Cup more, and indeed they are goal up.
They are a goal up in the game here. Hatsofok still with the ball. Oh, brilliant play from Ampon Sarafel again. He finds someone quite Emmanuel. Ball cleared by Kelvin Osei Sibin to the control half. Ball drops and Samba O'Nildo is pressed to that ball. They get the ball in full, flicked on, but nobody there. It's Amankwa for Hatsofok. Amankwa with a poor pass. And Alpha Fenrook releases man Amoa. The ball declared by Kelvin Osei Sibin once again.